Bonsoir les amis. Bienvenue sur Master French with Vidyansshu. Today we are going to learn about the conjugation of the special type of verbs. These are the verbs which follow the rules which are required for the purpose of conjugating the ER ending verbs. The 5 steps which we have done for the purpose of conjugating the ER ending verbs will also be applied over here in these type of verbs. The only difference is that the stem keeps on changing in these verbs. So the first verb is amene, which means to bring or to take. Since this verb is starting with a, which is a vowel, subject pronoun je will change into j apostrophe, and accent grave is put over here above the letter e. So this is how we conjugate with the subject pronoun je. Same rule applies over here. Il, elle, on. Amen. Now, these two, nu and vu forms are different. Ameno and vu, amene. We do not put l'accent grave on the letter E in these two forms. This is how amene becomes a special verb. And the last subject pronoun is conjugated as here we do have to put this. So these are pronounced as amen. This is pronounced as zameno because of the liaison rule. This is will get connected with this a. Same here, zamene and zamen. In negation, when we conjugate this, the formation is sujet plus ne plus verb plus pas. Je, an apostrophe because it is starting with a vowel. Je n'amène pas. Tu n'amènes pas. Il, elle, on n'amène pas. Nous n'amenons pas. Remember, no accent in nu and vous form. Vous n'amenez pas. And the last one is il, elle, with accent, n'amène pas. So the pronunciations are j'amène, tu amènes, il, elle, on amène, nous amenons, vous amenez, il, elle zamène. I bring, you bring, he or she brings, we bring in informal way, we bring informal way, you bring informal way, and they are bringing. Here, je n'aimais pas, je n'amène pas, je n'amène pas. Here also, n'amène in second one, tu n'amènes pas, il, elle, on n'amène pas, nous n'amenons pas, vous n'amenez pas, il, elle n'amène pas. I am not bringing, or I do not bring, you are not bringing, or you do not bring, he or she does not bring, we do not bring in formal way, nous n'amenons pas, we are not bringing, or we do not bring. Same here, vous n'amenez pas, you are not bringing, and they are not bringing. So now I'm going to take up some sentences for the purpose of making you understand the usage of this verb amene in the formation of sentence. The first sentence is J'amène Marie à l'école. We have already done the contracted articles. I am sharing a link over here. Kindly visit the video and understand when and how and where these contracted articles are used. This means I take Mary to the school. J'amène Marie à l'école. This is pronounced as l'école. Tu amènes Paul au marché. This is pronounced as marché and it means market. I bring or I take Paul to the market. You bring or you take Paul to the market. Let's make this in negation. N'amène pas Sophie au cinéma. This is pronounced as cinema, just like in Hindi. He did not take or he does not take Sophie to the cinema. Or he is not taking Sophie to the cinema. The fourth one is no. Remember, there is no accent in E with nu form and vu form. Opaque. Nous n'amenons pas les chiens au parc. Zoopark. Because of the liaison rule, S will get connected over here with A and the pronunciation will be zoo. Nous n'amenons pas les chiens au parc. Zoopark. Chien is the pronunciation over here and park is the pronunciation over here. This means we don't take the dogs to the park. Amene. Remember, there is no accent in this form. Nicola a l'hôpital. This means you bring Nicola to the hospital or you take Nicola to the hospital. This is pronounced as, because here H is silent, so the pronunciation will be with lo. L'hôpital. In French, H is silent. The last one is L. We have to put this accent. Valerie à la fête. Fête. This is pronounced as fête, which means party. L'hôpital means hospital. Park means park. Cinema we already know. Marché. L'école means school. So I'll give the pronunciation of all these sentences once. J'amène Marie à l'école. Tu amènes Paul au marché. Il n'amène pas Sophie O cinema, nu nameno pa les chiens, zopak, vous zamen. Because of the liaison rule, the pronunciation will be zamen. Nicolas à l'hôpital, elle zamen, Valerie à la fête. So this is all for today. These are the sentences which I wanted to discuss with you for the purpose of making you understand how to use the verb amene in the formation of the sentence. And if you found this video helpful, kindly like the video, please share it with your friends. Do subscribe to my channel Master French with Vidyansshu. Please press the bell icon for all the future updates. A très bientôt.